Good afternoon and welcome to another Park Point maintenance tip. Today we're going to show you a little bit about your vertical blinds. They work pretty effortlessly, but sometimes they may not work smoothly for you, so we'll show you a few things to help make them work better for you. A lot of times you might come to your blinds to open them because you want to see outside, but if you go like this, you're going to damage your blinds as the vanes jam into each other, and then they'll start breaking and falling off, and you don't want that. So what you want to do is you want to open them like this, and then draw them back. And they'll work a lot smoother for you if you do it that way. You won't get any trouble. Now, as happens when you have blinds on a door, is sometimes you might see them biting. So you don't want to just force them open. You just want to take your hand up and pop them loose so they'll open. And sometimes one of your blinds might get out of alignment, but with these, they are self-correcting. So if you open it up and keep going, you just put it a little bit and you hear them click, and then they'll all line up. And then you go back the other way. Once you hit here, you just let them click a little bit and they'll line up. Because you want to do it gently, you don't want to force it. But if you have any other trouble with your blinds, give us a call, we can come take care of it for you.